how to make a deposit. Go to www.icm.com and click on ICM Access, then sign in. You will be taken to your account summary page. Click on the Deposit Funds at the sidebar. Select the account you want to make a deposit to. Please choose ICM Cashier as payment method, then click Make a Deposit button to continue. Choose any of the payment options that you prefer. Fill in all required information. Check the I agree box. Click on the Deposit button to proceed. You will be prompted to the payment service page. Follow its instructions to complete the payment. Once you completed the deposit funds, you will then receive an email informing that your deposit under process and/or confirmed.